Hello students, we'll see another JEE Mains problem today. In this question, the position, velocity and acceleration of a particle moving with a constant acceleration can be represented by is asked. So constant acceleration, so acceleration will not change. So for all of the options, acceleration is not changing. When acceleration is a constant, then we can write, when acceleration is a constant, we can write v is equal to u plus at. That means graph between velocity and time is a straight line. So it won't be a curve. Won't be a curve. And we also know that slope of VT graph gives acceleration. And acceleration is a positive constant in every graph. We know that acceleration is dv by dt, and this is positive. That means the slope should be positive. So slope in this case is negative. So these two graphs are not possible. And the variation of position, that is given by x is equal to ut plus half at square. So this graph should be a parabola. This graph should be a parabola. Xt graph should be a parabola. And this graph should be a straight line. The VT graph will be a straight line. V versus T graph is a straight line. So these two options are cancelled out. And the position time graph here is a straight line. So this will also be cancelled out. So first option would be correct here.